Number 7 asks us, when is the object speeding up? Remember, speed and velocity are a little bit different. Speed does not take into account direction. So speeding up could be to the right or to the left. To be speeding up, that is when acceleration and velocity are both positive or both negative. Right? When acceleration and velocity are both positive or both negative. Because if they're both positive, it means it's speeding up to the right. Right? Velocity is going to the right, acceleration is going to the right. If they're both negative, then it's going to the left and it's speeding up to the left. When they're opposites, one's positive, one's negative, those two things are working against each other and it's actually slowing down. So if it asks when is the object slowing down, they would have to be opposites. It's when they're changing. When one's positive, one's negative. So what we're going to do for this one is we're actually going to combine the two number lines that we have for velocity and acceleration into one number line. So let's make a number line here. And on top, I'm going to go ahead and do the velocity. So our velocity was 0 at 1 and 3. And we already did this number line, so we're looking back at problem number 3. The velocity was positive before 1, negative from 1 to 3, and positive after 3. We've already done that. So it's something we've already done. Now, on the bottom, I'm going to do acceleration. And acceleration, we knew, was 0 when t was 2. Now we're looking at our number line from problem number 4. The acceleration was negative when it was less than 2. Positive when it was greater than 2. So what we're doing here is we're trying to figure out, remember, when is it speeding up? That happens when they're both negative or both positive. So if you look, the only time that they're both the same is right here. That would be from 1 to 2. And right here from 3 to infinity. So it's speeding up when they're both the same. They're both working in the same direction. Acceleration and velocity are either both positive or both negative. So 1 to 2 and 3 to infinity.